Today, I have a special surprise for you. I am taking you behind the scenes of styling for the awesome SweetLegs company. Let's go! Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim, and for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you. I'm cold outside. I have tears dropping down my face. Anyway, today I am on set. I'm actually working a job. I am styling for the SweetLegs legging company. If you don't know SweetLegs, you need to check them out online. They have absolutely blown up, I think, in the last year and a half. So I am taking on styling their photo shoots, and today is the first one, so follow along. If you guys like these videos, remember to subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button down below and give it a thumbs up and a comment, because that's the way I know which videos you guys like the best. And then I try to make those videos so that I'm making quality content that you actually want to see. Yesterday, I went around the city and I pulled different clothes for this photo shoot, piled it all in my car, loaded a rolling rack, and the first step today on the photo shoot is to pull everything out of my car. Kind of embarrassing. My car's a little dirty. Don't judge me. So, one of the things that you don't see being a stylist, and this is actually good, I've already taken in some stuff, so is that you have piles and piles and piles of clothing, rolling racks, hangers. I have a steamer. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, I'm just gonna start carrying everything in and we will get started. See you in there. SweetLegs is a legging company that is proud to bring a variety of wicked awesome leggings that fit everybody. I have to say that I am so proud of styling this shoot today. It was an amazing team and I love this product. These leggings are the softest leggings I think I've ever felt. Plus the team is just super fun and I love that they have the theme. I love that theme. I love the idea of owning it and rocking it, because especially with today's media out there, for all of the girls, it's just important to have body confidence and rock what you have. So this shoot was particularly fun, and it was fun to be able to have a camera to share it with you guys to show the behind the scenes. The theme behind today's shoot was Snowed In. These are their new leggings that are coming out in January. I believe once a month or every 3 weeks they have a new set of leggings that come out. Everyone is surprised, everyone waits to see what comes out. And so this was really fun to get to see the leggings that are coming out in January. The theme was Snowed In, so it's cozy, it's warm, and then we showed a variety of different sets the SweetLegs team put together. Okay, so we are on location shooting for SweetLegs. This is Jordy. Hi, Jordy. Hi. Jordy is works in-house with SweetLegs. She is their photographer and graphic designer. And actually, I got brought on a little bit late onto this project, and they had already done all the creative, which is so nice for me. So Jordy put together all the creative for the project, which means she put together the vibe, the look, the feel, and my job was just to pull the clothes to match what Jordy wanted. So this is like a very organized. This is what we're shooting today. The bedroom scene keeps changing, and so we're right now in the first scene, Lauren, and she's a teenager and she's wearing the cool teen leggings.
This launch is kind of after Christmas, so we felt like, you know, you kind of want to wind down and relax. So this whole scene is just comfy, cozy, in bed with coffee and reading your books and hanging out with your kids, and it's kind of like a snowy day in. And
it's awesome.
Yeah.
She titled it Snowed In. I love it. I'm like, who doesn't want to wear leggings and like really comfy, cozy sweaters hanging out in their bed?
Yeah.
Favorite. Good shoot. On the first set, it's more of like a teenager room. So she's got on like an edgy pair of leggings. I paired these really cute pair of plaid socks. They're so fuzzy and warm inside. I actually kept these socks because I love them so much. I just kept it simple with like a black t-shirt because there was a lot going on with the props behind her and the socks were kind of loud, so I just wanted to keep the outfit simple. So with these leggings, it was a fun, youthful approach. She was a teenager, so I wanted to grab something really cool and kind of in the moment. And right now, unicorns are all the rage. I found this unicorn sweater and we all fell in love with it. And of course, it had to be worn with her leggings in bed. To me, these red plaid leggings are totally kick butt. They have a really youthful look and feel, and so I found this edgy top. It's a t-shirt that was kind of shredded. It had some studs on it. I think it was perfect for the leggings. So with each pair of leggings, in this shoot we shot 4 pairs. Each one had at least 2 different looks. So here we changed the hair on our teen. We added red lips and a teddy bear fuzzy sweater. How cute were these two? It was really fun to watch them. They were great together, and actually this mom was so good with her little girl. She got her laughing and chatting, and they actually just really had some sweet moments on set. For their styling, I tried to keep it neutral but yet still combine them. So for her sweater, I chose a light cream sweater and a pop of pink. The very soft pink goes with the theme of the bedding, which was pink, and then mom is just in a darker gray sweater, which kind of will pull from the little girl's leggings, and I kept her socks neutral and the little girl's socks pink. These two were having such a blast jumping on the bed. I just loved this moment. One of them did not want to get off and they wanted to keep going, and our other little model had to keep working, so unfortunately the fun had to end. For styling the 2 little girls together, again, you need a cohesive look. So one's got a cream sweater on with the pale pink, and the other one I actually just pulled from her wardrobe. That's her own light pink sweater, and it really pulled everything together. The girls have the exact same socks on. So it just makes it very easy on the eye, and you actually get drawn to the leggings, which is the point of this job. This is our boho set, and so for this mom, she's wearing the camo leggings. So for me, someone that's wearing camo leggings, they're gonna have a gray t-shirt on, they're gonna have a really cool, loose sweater on. For mom and daughter in the boho scene, I paired them both in cream sweaters. And again, I chose a knit on the sweater intentionally that was a bit of a bigger knit. It's a bit more chunky, it sort of goes with the vibe. You can see how the styling is actually very important when you go to create a look and feel. And here's our closing shot with the 4 new leggings that are coming out for SweetLegs in January. You need to check these guys out. Here's the new styles that came out. Some of them, I believe 2 of them actually have been out before, but here they come, they're out. Definitely check out this company. They're a very good company, very body positive. These leggings are like deadly soft. I really enjoyed working with them, and I look forward to all the new seasons that come out. Thank you, SweetLegs. So we are just about at the end of our SweetLegs shoot, and I am with Linda, who is the designer for SweetLegs, and we've had a really fun time. I have to tell you my favorite thing about Linda. Every time we ask for a fake laugh, she actually laughs. She's not even the one in the shoot. She's like, bah, ha, ha, on the side. That's awesome. Hilarious. I know. It's awesome. Anyway, so tell us a little bit about SweetLegs. If viewers watching have never seen SweetLegs, first of all, they're the softest leggings I've ever felt on my legs.
They're super lush, they're kitten soft, they're amazing.
And they sell for what, US and Canadian?
Adult and US in Canadian is $25 for both.
$25.
And kids goes for $20.
$20. Super soft leggings, and something else that's totally crazy is that they come
in just the 3 sizes, but the 3 sizes span from a 00 to a 22. So you get, you basically can fit into anything. It is amazing. You put them on and you don't have to worry about a thing because they feel wonderful.
It's true. And then tell me about the patterns. They get new patterns how often?
We get new patterns every 2 weeks, which is awesome. They're limited editions, so you have to get them while they're there, because if you don't, then they're sold out and you're stuck without them.
And that's crazy, because that means she's really busy, because she's designing all your patterns that are coming out every 2 weeks.
Yeah, it gets to be really swamped, so make sure to find your online store or the distributors, because distributors are awesome. Then you get to actually try them on and feel them before you purchase them, which is great. But yeah,
you don't actually need to. You can buy them online. Trust me, you'll put them on and you'll be like, ooh. But there are distributors in some of your areas. Is the distributors in Canada and US?
Yeah, distributors. We have distributors all over Canada, and we just opened in the US now.
Woo.
So we're starting to get our distributors in the US. It's really exciting.
You guys are gonna love them. Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, thanks.
It's fun. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are just about to finish styling the SweetLegs for January, or at least for the first 3 weeks of January. This is the first 4 patterns that are coming out. So we're just about to wrap this shoot, and I hope you guys really enjoyed behind the scenes. It was a super fun shoot. This team is amazing. The product is awesome. I just love them, and we had kids on the shoot today. It was really fun. So remember, if you guys like this video, remember to hit subscribe down below and like and comment and tell me what was your favorite pattern of SweetLegs from today. I'll see you guys next week.